Whether you're new to Spreadshop or a seasoned veteran, here are 5 things you should know about your Spreadshop. The first one is right after you upload a new design and you come to the sales channels page. The sales channels essentially give you 2 options for selling your design. You can either add the design to your Spreadshop and sell it only through your shop, or you can also choose to add it to your Spreadshirts marketplace. This is where you'll have the opportunity to sell it in a shared marketplace, where your design will be available among thousands of others. You have the chance to make sales on both channels, and you can choose the options that are best for you. As a side note, not all designs are accepted to the marketplace to prevent an overabundance of similar designs or for issues like copyright. As the seasons change, so should your merch. With spring and summer approaching, now is a good time to add some merch that customers will be looking for. It's a great way to boost sales, and you can advertise the new merch in your shop. Are you looking to add multiple designs to a product and not sure how? It's easy. Simply select the Upload More Designs tab, then select Create Products with several print areas. Make your selections on where you would like to place the design, and that's it. From there, you can choose the products you would like to use. It's important to know that adding more designs will raise the price of the product in your shop, but it's great for creating some unique products for your Spreadshop. If you just created a new design or wanted to test out a product in your shop, you can order product samples for yourself. All you have to do is select the Order Product Samples link. You'll pay the base price for the products without your added commission. Check it out and pick up some of your merch today. Curious how your shop would look on a tablet or mobile phone? All you need to do is select Expand Preview and choose the options you would like to preview for a quick and easy way to see your shop across multiple devices. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about your Spreadshop.